We're ready up for God Friday, you know that, right?
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, guys. Do you hear that, people? Do you hear the silence? I woke up in a house that was just blissfully tranquil, quiet. The construction man, them don't reach yet. The boys are gone off to school. Ivy is sleeping. Tami is on the road. It's just silent. It's a meditation morning. I'm feeling so good. I'm going to read a book. I'm going to, I won't have this silence for forever. It is fleeting at this moment, with every passing second. But while it lasts, I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to eat a mango, and I won't eat it on camera. Read my little book, build up myself, and just enjoy the day as it unfolds. Hear that? So guys, this book I'm reading is called Planet Earth, and it's written by Patrick Gaynor, Curly Locks from Twins of Twins. You guys will know Twins of Twins from their Stir It Up series. Hilarious guys, very deep thinkers. He also has a podcast now that I catch his episodes every now and then. Very deep thinker. But this book is a book that it deserves some prop up. I'm not telling a lie. Because you see, like how we have Jamaican authors who are celebrated worldwide, like how you have Malcolm Gladwell and stuff. I feel like Patrick Gaynor has gone into a very deep part of his meditation and pull for this book, Planet Earth. So I just started reading it, but I'm very impressed by the first 3 chapters. And I'm going to finish reading it and give a full review on it and thing. But I have to big up my brethren, Curly Locks, because this book is very impressive so far. No lie. No lie. Look who is back in the place. Oh, what go on? Where you go from morning?
I had a few little things to take care of early. Speaking of which, we need to get back the gas today because we are barbecuing today. My chicken has been, what do you call it? Marinating in the marinade for over 24 hours now. So, hello, can we sort that out?
Yeah, well, I just hope that them ready with it.
Yeah, we need to get that done. I tried to think what else I need to get done. Oh, I have everything now to go into the passport office. So that could be a thing too. No, I don't. I need one more thing. It's okay. I'm figuring it all out. So yeah, let's do that. And then, yeah, that's basically it. I'm tired. I woke up way too early today. Ozzy and Atlas came in the bed 3 o'clock this morning. We need a California king.
I tell you, God, trust me right now, my back, my spinal cord, I feel it.
And it's not long before Ivy's walking over. So how that's gonna work? Or here what? When they come over, we just go into their room.
That can go
And
on
Ozzy don't sleep nice, by the way, people. Foot pan me, hand pan me, all kind of something. Anyway, whatever. And we go down like tiki 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 tiki. You know what I say, ba? What is that sound? It sounds like it's in your room.
Jesus. The silence is gone, people. No worry about it.
Watch it. Watch it.
Yeah. Kick out. Yeah.
Try again.
Hey. You know, this is a like a tiny thing about her.
Wayne is a tongue in my.
What do you?
That is what we're It's a little tongue in. Hi. Oh my. Wayne just said that he feels like the day is meandering away. I don't think that's the right context.
No, without us vlogging.
I know. Meandering away? No.
Yes, it actually is.
It's meandering. I don't know what meandering means. I thought
People don't understand.
I thought you meander through a supermarket.
It's only when you really start to read a lot, you realize that words can be used in a myriad of ways.
Myriad.
Yes, because it has every big word has a basic meaning.
Yes.
And sometimes you can apply that basic meaning over a broad range, a wide range of situations and scenarios, but because people don't tend to use them in certain, you know what I mean?
And you know, people have like words that they hate and words that they love.
You know which word my book up in a no from the other day? Fiduciary.
I'm sorry?
Fiduciary.
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 What is that again?
You don't know that word there?
Wait, go again, you said a sentence.
You don't say you're not bright like me though.
Fiduciary. What is this again? Anyway, you're gonna make me cuss with that word there. Fiduciary. You're such a fiduciary bag. You know what Maya Angelou's favorite word is? It's a beautiful word.
What?
Murmur.
Murmur.
And that's what the English language does sometimes. It sounds like the word that it is. Like, you can't shout murmur. It was just a murmur.
Murmur.
Yeah, but
You're right.
you're not, you know?
Murmur. I'm still a whisper it. Murmur. I can't shout it for true. Murder.
Anyway, you know what is speaking of favorite words and stuff, you know what is the number one thing that happens to us? Okay, so when we did the last flow campaign, the number one thing that was said to us was this: the baby. Where is the baby? And this time the number one thing that's being said to Wayne and to me, but mostly Wayne, is S-Blank, which I think is hilarious.
Yo, Jamaican love domino still, you know?
No, they're literally like, Wayne, I don't know if you need to play the S-Blank. Or them say, Wayne, or you make Tami tell you say which card if you play.
No, the real domino man, they must say the S-Blank win the game party.
It does.
Yeah, because me have 3 cards left and I be a S, so if me turn the game with the S them, yo, you have some, alright, you never know, say you have some people, right? And I don't mean this disrespectful in any way. Them can't read or write.
But they can
put
play
them in
domino.
front of a domino game and then beat your body. See, if I play the first card, them I tell you what you have in your hand.
Similarly,
and them I say, me case and play the deuce now. Me case and play the double 6 now.
You have
say,
people who can read and write and who are scholars who could never read a domino game. Me can't read a domino game.
Alright, me not tell a lie. If me get a good hand, nobody can beat me on planet
that is
Earth.
Everybody.
But
good hand.
not everybody. People will lose with a good
Wayne
hand. Who
cannot
don't know
beat me
domino.
dominoes. Here people, all you
no.
see my chat.
Yeah, no.
Who tell if you play the S-Blank? Come on, man. Who did it? Who done it?
He's a stress bank. Or S blank.
No.
Anyway.
We not put that in my teeth.
So Flo made a post yesterday and it got us recapping when we went out with Flo for Frenchmen. The first day of the year. We started the year very well dressed. We never even put nothing in the vlog. So I feel like say
I know, right?
my suit almost nearly got to waist.
They never saw. You guys didn't even see us.
Yes,
for that whole thing.
I would have wanted to say you need to put back a nice little collage of footage. See how I use collage?
Yeah.
A nice collage.
Should I put on a little music?
Yeah, man, nice it up, man. Do what you do, man. Look how we did come out good. Look how Auntie Tami and Uncle Wayne come out strong. Get with it, Tami. You're Auntie Tami and I'm Uncle Wayne.
I never did look so. Watch me. This is not Auntie Tami. This is Hot Tami. Hot Tamale. Hold it. Tell me now. What do you think of us?
Give me all the
What you doing? You trying to pick the lock?
Yes.
You can't open the lock with a pencil.
Hi guys,
What's
I'm
up,
here.
Nancy?
And it's a beautiful day, nice cool breezes.
You've been spending time with your
And
next
I've
daughter.
been spending time with Zaya. Somebody was asking, where is Nana? So here I am.
Nana is never too far, okay?
No.
Never too far from us. Zai, what's Zai on her piano? Say hello, guys. It's too much. Tami, what's going on up there now?
You have to go and vlog a little. They're tiling. It's looking really good.
Yeah? So we're going to give them peace out or we're going to wait till?
Yeah, let's give them a piece. Just a quick.
Give them peace, right?
Yeah, I mean, just a look at take a picture.
Show them the progress.
I think so.
Alright.
Hi, Zaya. Come hug up.
Where am I, bro?
See, what were you eating? I thought you had lollipop. What was in your mouth? Open.
Jesus, is a marker she did
Oh
there?
my God, you can't eat the marcos. If your mother ever knew, I didn't see.
Kids will be kids. People, Desiree can steal it. And the thing lock.
Yeah, man.
Look at that. Yeah, man. I eat, you know? And guess what? We trust this team because them man fix up the whole rest of the house. So the house look pretty like a magazine thing. These are the tile and grout and no need to doubt, you see me? But even they're halfway yet, people, they're about 40%. Tile them look pretty. Where they going?
No one.
Everything good. You come out for your passport picture, but you coming like a foreign. You think you did go do?
Me? No, I'm going.
I ready up and till you up and ready. I'm not foreign. I'm going. That's the one. You must be like an embassy. I go. Well on. Some more. We're ready up for go foreign. You know that, right? Okay. So you know see snow on them someday.
No, I'm not seeing no snow.
Right, then when I forgot carry. Imagine a vlog. Imagine we have vlog and Momo in a snow and them something there way in our Colorado mountains. That not the festive people talk the truth. All who want to see Momo into foreign, drop it in the comment section right now. Cause we can't leave you. All we are going. We don't function well without Momo. Momo is the glue that make everything work. Today Tami left out early and I was sleeping. Momo get everything together, and you know sometimes the kids would come into the room and wake up and think Momo is just the right thing in between the whole of us as different characters. She really pull us together and know how to deal with the kids them, you know. Atlas is a special case. It work out this morning.
Yes.
Work out this morning. Me here, you know, over here. Come on, the time him come in the room and him lay down back and I watch right him there beside me. Him and me being nice. A drama, you know. But we love them same way though. We love him same way. Oh God, he's a character. We enjoy him. He tests us, but we do enjoy him. What Jackson going with?
Jackson is easy. Easy going. Yeah, have him time, but most of the time easy going. Sometimes he come help me now. Or this man come and said I can't help you. You go and put on your clothes. And that's
yeah, because him are the big one. So he need to help we. Okay, so we're heading to go do some passport pictures for Momo, and then we'll catch up on the nether side. You good with that there?
this long down summer for this.
Let me see that one. That one they must connect.
Yeah, that one is better.
Lovely.
Zaya said, Ozzy, share. Please to share. What you sharing?
Come over, and then as he comes,
Mm-hmm.
the two of them
Yeah.
fight to me right.
Yeah, what is? Watch out. Wait, she want them taking over win. Oh, mercy me. She wants the phone. You want to tell you. The phone she wants. Oh, no. That's not how the story goes. Imagine last night. Me don't tell the people them say me watch show with Wayne and him drop asleep, you know. And me telling them say Momo drop asleep on me, you know. And me have the evidence, you know. Before me show the evidence, I want me show the evidence and then come back to your. Of course I taped you.
When me asleep in a pretty.
Hold on. One at a time here, Maureen. Our neck bend back so much here now. Me I go bust me neck tree. I love.
Why the joke now, you know? Mr. Wayne, go like him now sleep, so him go so the wake up. So when me wake up, me get from me not know, so the eye don't feel fresh.
Yeah.
When they look, me see on our hands still, so
Yeah, fast asleep.
gone back.
Fast
Then
asleep.
just a joke. Wife in over the other side with the phone. A tea pussy. Yeah, no. Yeah.
I went straight to the bed. So, mommy, I'm depending on you to stay awake tonight.
But boy, not trying to
You have to.
last night. But try.
Ivy, you happy with your Nana?
Yes, Nana. Oh my, look at that.
Alright guys, just come back. I got gas. I got the gas cylinder for the grill, but guess what? As you can see, night come down, so Tami couldn't wait again because the piece of traffic there road. Anyway, today is a day to celebrate. Zaya's first night staying over with her cousins and her uncle and her auntie. Zaya demanded that she is staying with us. I know Nana is here and everybody's here, so we're going to give them a little break tonight. So,
Yay!
What did you
yay!
Yeah, go to roll!
Yo,
Pizza!
pizza?
Give me some.
You
Some
want
what?
pizza? Where am I going to get pizza? Let
Calm
me
down,
take
when you
it
eat it,
back.
then you get. Wagwan.
Give me.
Wagwan.
Zaya, you want some pizza?
You good? How's your day?
You want pizza?
Can I have some pizza? Hello?
You have barbecue.
Oh, never mind. Need a broccoli and bro. Need a broccoli guy.
Barbecue chicken look good.
Alright. It's like we've mastered the art of the oven barbecue. These are still the same peas that Auntie Kay gave us. Yeah. Them are going. Oh,
But say one more baby with a mushroom.
one more baby. Just one extra person for bed at daytime is enough for turn me off. Don't let's not talk about feed, clothe, and educate. Ooh,
Are you together?
no sir.